big. I can't pick it up. Oh, it cut in two. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, night. My throat is feeling a bit better today. I wanted to take another of the medication that I took last night, but I didn't get a chance to police.
Continue on Marcusville Road for 3/4 of a mile.
Police. Anyway, we're driving today. Baby's driving my brother's car. We're going to an outlet. That's where we're heading right now to do a little shopping therapy today. So stick and stay, enjoy today's vlog. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and it's another day of vacation here in New Jersey in the USA. The kiddos are back there. Sarah, say hello, Faves. Tai say hello.
Hello.
Why you sound like that?
Tired like every time.
So when you come back you need to sleep.
Yes.
Okay, because that's what vacation is for, resting and exploring. You have to have fun. The speed limit you're going is normal. Anyway, you guys, baby's driving and he's on a new road, so I will not tell him to say hello to you guys right now because I need him to focus. So there he is, and you guys will see babe. Talk to babe when we get to the outlet. So stick and stay, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and let's go do a little shopping. Let's see what our day will turn out to be. Bad experience, good experience, but we're keeping a positive vibes. So let's do this, shawty. Driving in the USA for the first time. No, well, the first time by himself. The first time he drove on the 4th of July with my brother, but this one I have to catch it. Hey! So we have arrived. What's the name of this outlet that we are at? So we are at an outlet in New Jersey. I honestly don't know the name of it. We're here and the first thing I'm seeing is coach. It's very cloudy today. Thank you for not smoking. Designated no smoke zone. It's very, very cloudy and chilly today. It doesn't. Okay, we are at Jersey Shore Premium Outlet. Alright, let's go. Jennifer Lopez. What store is this? This store is really nice. It have character shirts, something that is really hard to find in France. So let me see if we see what's the name of the store. It's called Custom Corner. I'm sleeping. Sarah fell asleep in the car. I always heard about this pepper sauce. I'm gonna try it. Okay, so it's lunchtime and we're trying to find somewhere to eat. Where should we eat? You want this? This looks so good. This looks so good. Charlie's Philly steak. You want the first one?
The first one.
They have it up there too. The food courts at the outlets. Trying to find something to eat. I think we're going to go with this place that is called, what is the name of this place? Nathan's. Short topper. Top your hot dog and fries. New York cheesesteak?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is, we're having New York cheesesteak, we're having hot dog, and we're having cheesy fries. And Sarah is having nuggets, hot dog nuggets, and fries. Hey! Oh, Sarah! Blow it. It's so big, I can't pick it up. Oh, it cut in two. Yummy, Sarah. Sarah, eat your fries, please.
See me?
Yummy. Yes, Ty. Get in it, Ty. Get in it, Ty. Ooh. Yummy cheese on your chin.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Wipe it. Okay, come off now. Wipe it on the paper towel. Lunch was good. Lunch was absolutely delicious, especially the cheesesteak. It was so good. Now we're gonna continue shopping, but we're waiting on Babe to get out. This outlet is so huge. There's so many stores to see, but we're gonna continue walking to see if we see anything that we want. We haven't seen anything yet that really caught our eye to say yes, we're gonna get that, we're gonna get that. Apart, I think, from the Polo store where some really nice shirts for Babe, but otherwise we're gonna continue walking. So we out here. Another thing that I've noticed with US tours since we're here in the outlet, every single store you step in, it's freezing cold. Like the AC is blasting and it's maximum, literally. but the kids were shaking like this. Even in the food court, I'm like, Babe, let's hurry up and eat and get out because I am so cold. It's as if here they're used to the cold so much that inside the AC is just blasting. I don't know what's the next explanation, but I'm sure I'm not the only one that feels that way, Babe. Inside the store it's cold, no?
Mama?
Freezing. You don't want your juice?
Excuse me, Mama.
Yeah.
Yes, Ty?
There's not only the stores that have the AC. There's also the sky that has the AC on.
What? What do you
Sky
mean?
also have the AC.
Because it's
on.
cloudy today and it's chilly? You're too funny.
Very.
He's so funny. He said the sky have the AC on. Anyway, you guys, let's continue shopping. Window shopping, whatever it is that we're doing today. That's all we do. So where are we right now? We're still shopping, still at the outlets. Got a few little things. We just left Levi's. We got two nice pants under 50 euro, right, just about 50 euro. So that was good deal. Carter's is a kids store. We don't need to go in there. We get things for the kids already unless we want something else. Wow.
Oh yes, gummy.
Ooh. Look at all these yumminess. Okay, so you take a bag and what? How does it work? You know you want it. Mix and match. Oh, look, £1 for $15.96. Yes, babe. Half pound. I'm coming. Come on. Okay, you take a bag and then whatever it weighs, that's what you pay. Pretzel chocolate. Interesting. No, it's actually is pretzel.
Chocolate. Egg chocolate.
Not sure that you want to regular.
Yeah, down there. Next up, workout shoes. This one and this one was my option, and I end up taking this one because this brand shoes fit so close and they don't have my size in this one. So workout shoes for the win. And Babe took, let me show you guys the one that Babe took. Babe took this one. We still can't find no shoes for Sarah and Tyler. Hey guys, you guys, my voice is slowly leaving me, but I'm gonna remedy up so that I can continue to vlog and continue to enjoy this vacation. Anyway, I did not show you guys yesterday when I came home from the outlet all the things that I got, but I'm just gonna roughly run through since I'm packing away right now. So I got me and Babe some workout shoes on a good deal. We got these two shoes for $77. I always want to say €77, but no, $77. And you best believe I'm gonna wear them go out before I start workouting them because they're so cute. Yeah, we got good deals at Levi's too. Babe and I got ourselves some jeans. I've been wanting to get these Bermuda jeans. That's the name that I've been trying to remember to tell my sister-in-law. These shorts are called Bermuda shorts. And because you guys know that I always complain about how my leg rubs, so I hate wearing body rider, as we love call it, because it rubs my legs. So any shorts that you see me in, I'm definitely comfortable in. So we got these on sale. I think both of them is brand, so you know, normally they would have been expensive, but both of them I think cost roughly like about 100, I think. Yeah, something like that. I got Babe some nice shirts.
50% off. We got both for 50.
Oh, so Baby's reminding me that I got 50% off both, so both of them was 50. That's a deal. Levi's, that's a big deal. We got polo shirts for Tyler. Look how cute they are. So we got 1, 2 for Ty, 3 for Ty, and then we got big deals on Sarah shirts. Tyler shirts were how much? 3 for 40.
Sarah?
Tyler.
I think it's 4 or 5 piece.
4 or 5 piece, but we got 3 piece.
Yeah, so it's about 12, 15.
For 3 of them? Okay, so we got these 3 shirts for about $12, $15. And then Sarah shirts were 3 for $4. So we got Sarah some nice ones. So she got 1, 2, some really nice one. And you know we all about the color things. So we got Sarah 4, got Ty 3, and these are the deals on kids own. I didn't end up getting no shoes for the kids because I did not find any that had their size in it that we like. So that was that. We didn't really even get much things too. What else did we get? We got a sweatpants for Babe. This one was in Under Armour on deal too. How much was this one, Babe?
20.
This one was originally 55 for it, and he got it for 20. So that's a big deal too. What else did we get? Oh, hey, I got this sweat outfit for $8. Pink, looks so cute. Love the material. So this was $8 for the top and $8 for the bottom. So ta-da, that's that. And we got polo shirts for Babe, and these were 3 for $55. That's right. Yeah, so we got some nice ones just like Tyler owned for Babe. And yeah, those are all the things that we got yesterday. It wasn't much, but we loved the deals that we got. It was the outlet was more luxury type of things, big brand. You guys hear my neighbor crying. He's getting ready for school. Anyway, you guys, that's it for today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did,
Look, it's fireworks.
Fireworks.
Look,
She have glitter on her hand. She says fireworks. Where you get glitter from? Honey, come around and handle this for me now, please. She have glitter on her hand. Find out where she get it from and clean it off. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna sign out to this vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow in another vacation vlog. Well, let me see the fireworks. Show mama. She said this is fireworks. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys and go do laundry right now. You see my clothes over there? Laundry time.